Hear, O Jerusalem, sons of Abraham, it's for the hope of Israel I sing. You're sent to be a light unto the nations of the world, chosen as a witness of the King. Shema Yisrael, Adonai Echad. My heart is heavy for you now. Hearken to the voice of Elohim inside your heart. Seek the Lord while yet he may be found. The mighty God of Jacob, Isaac and Abraham, Yeshua's calling you back to your promised land. La 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 la. Many sons of a stranger have joined unto the land, and nations you knew not have run to thee to seek the Holy One of Israel. Yet having eyes you do not see. The mighty God of Jacob, Isaac and Abraham, Yeshua's calling you back to your promised land. La 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 la. Who has believed our report? While he is near, I pray you'd call upon the Lord. HaMashiach is returning to the land. My heart is heavy for you, sons of Abraham. Now look upon the one who was pierced, a suffering servant for us all, afflicted for our sin, and yet no guile was in his mouth. And by his stripes we all are healed. Almighty God of Jacob, Isaac and Abraham, Yeshua's calling you back to your promised land. Back to your promised land. La 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 la. Back to your promised land.